This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make corn soup from a can. This simple guide will help you create a delicious and comforting meal with minimal effort. We'll start by gathering our basic ingredients, focusing on canned corn, broth, and your favorite seasonings. This method is perfect for a quick lunch or a warm dinner on a busy evening. Now, let's get to the preparation. You can choose to drain your canned corn for a lighter soup or keep the liquid for a creamier result. Combine the corn, your chosen broth, and any desired seasonings in a saucepan. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally. This step allows the flavors to meld beautifully. For a truly smooth corn soup, an immersion blender is your best friend. Carefully blend the soup directly in the saucepan until it reaches your desired consistency. If you don't have an immersion blender, a regular blender works too. Just be sure to blend in small batches. Taste and adjust the seasonings, adding more salt, pepper, or herbs as needed. Your delicious homemade corn soup is now ready to enjoy. Garnish it with fresh chives, a sprinkle of paprika, or some crispy croutons for extra flair. Serve it piping hot with a side of crusty bread for a satisfying and comforting meal. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This soup is perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.